Welcome back everyone, Joe here. Great to have you back with us on Crypto Rosetta. Now, new surroundings behind me. I am currently on my travels in Turkey. More on that in the next video. But just wanted to give you a quick catch up and give you my thoughts on the market. Now, the thumbnail also is not clickbait, folks. You absolutely have a chance to win free USDT. I will come on to that in a moment. But let's talk about the markets this week because again, been another interesting week as we are here on the weekend now. Plan for Bitcoin and crypto for me has not changed. Nothing has invalidated. I remain bearish and still expecting lower lows in the market. At least one more low, but I do think that there'll be probably multiple lows still to come, and I do think this bear market is going to drag out for some time, and a lot of this is based on how I'm looking at equities markets at the moment. Now, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq did get a tiny bounce on Friday, as you'd expect, but it was nothing really significant to say reversing back to the upside as such. Dow Jones closed there 33,300, S&P struggling to hold 4,000. Obviously it did dip below and just got back above, but still not looking great. And also the Nasdaq again showing some significant weakness, which is bad for Bitcoin and crypto, because I still believe, a lot of people, a lot of the moon boys out there talking, being really bullish on Bitcoin, saying we're going back to the moon, saying that, 30, 40, 50, whatever K is only a matter of time. They're not really truly understanding how reliant Bitcoin is on these equities markets, in my opinion. If these equities markets rather remain bearish and certainly, head to lower lows, if the Dow Jones low, for instance, from summer of last year does not hold and, we break that, you best believe that Bitcoin is also going to a lower low, in my personal opinion. Of course, can't guarantee that. Of course, anything can happen in these markets, but that's just, my expectation. I know there's a lot of theories about 4-year cycle, etc. And that still may, play out. But again, we've just seen the whole history of Bitcoin so far being in this equities bull market, and I'm still seeing continuation of the bear market in equities now. I'm expecting that to drag out crypto into a longer bear market than has been seen in the past, in my opinion. Again, also a lot of this is based on the DXY. Guys, I love my DXY analysis and I'm still remaining bullish on that. Now, I did tell you in previous videos it was really important to confirm that it was going to continue to the upside, in my opinion, if we got an open and close above 105. Now, we've kind of reset again because, yes, we did get the open of 105, but we did dip to 104.50 region this week. We've just closed. So basically what we're going to be looking for next week is to get back above 105 and reset that. So we'll be looking to get an open of 105 plus and then trying next time close it out. It's no surprise that it has not closed above 105. It doesn't mean it's not bullish now. It doesn't mean that it's going down. It's just a normal retrace that you would expect on a move to the upside. And guys, I've had this target of 120 to 122 for a long time on the DXY, and this could still take months to play out. At least a minimum, it will take many weeks. It won't just shoot up to there tomorrow or next week. That's not going to happen. It will take a long time to play out. And as that slow grind up happens to the DXY, if that plays out, then again it's going to be the opposite direction for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, in my opinion. Now let's just talk about crypto prices at the moment. So currently, time recording, Bitcoin is around that 22,200. Seems to be some significant resistance now around 22.5. And if that resistance kind of holds, I expect probably going to go head a bit lower. And then once we get the next move lower, I would expect a bounce. That would also line up with how Savage is seeing it on the channel. If you're watching his technical analysis videos, then great. You'll be seeing that moves have been playing out to the downside. Obviously it gives you the probabilities of both directions, but certainly the move to the downside looks like it's playing out quite nicely at the moment. And I would expect us to lose 22,000 again. We did see a low of 21,900 yesterday, and then we kind of flatlined a bit since, but I think that's going to be either tested tomorrow or potentially Monday. Doesn't mean that it's going to definitely happen. of course, but that's just kind of my expectation at the moment. But there will be a bounce, folks. There will be a significant bounce. Wouldn't surprise me, if 23,000 is recaptured. But initial resistance that we got short from on this channel, we've been absolutely smashing. Significant short trades at the moment. Started to get short once Bitcoin got to 25,200. Started to head short there, head short on Ethereum and other altcoins that were doing really well, holding some open trades at the moment. And essentially, yeah, those trades are still working their way down. Plenty of gains locked in. Really important to lock in your gains, folks. That's what we've been doing. And if you're interested in trading with us, check out our links in the description below for our Patreon. You can just join the trading zone, or you can join the full package. Or if you want to just get a lifetime membership NFT with us, then you don't have to pay monthly fees. That pre-sale is still ongoing for 1,050 ADA. Again, if you want to find out any more information, just go to our Discord, links in the description below. Absolutely free to join and ask us any questions in there. But yeah, the trades are absolutely crushing it at the moment. We've currently got an active one as I'm speaking, as I'm putting this video out now. And where do I think this is going? Essentially, yeah, gains locked in, but expect more downside. And we're going to be looking for more trades, and potentially switching a few hedge longs next week on this bounce that I would be expecting. But I do think it'll just be a bounce because, like I said, resistance 25,200. I think that resistance is going to come down as we start to see lower highs being printed, because I think we're at the stage now that if we were to flip bullish and still get that ride up to 28 to 31k on Bitcoin, which is still absolutely possible, I do think we would have probably started to see a bit of a significant move there now. And the way that we're kind of tracking the whale alerts, and also seeing how much BUSD has been burned and gone back into cash, it's a good sign. That I've always said that I thought this was a cartel pump. People call it a scam pump or whatever. For me, it's just a liquidity hunt. Essentially, it was Binance and the other market makers pumping the price up to just essentially inflate, make some money for themselves. All they had to do was mint a load of stable coins, right? Buy a load of Bitcoin slowly, get an average price, sell it to retail higher, and then move it back into burn those stable coins and move it back into cash, and they've made a ton of money again. And I think that's probably what we're going to get confirmation of playing out in the coming weeks. Now, let's get back onto that thumbnail, folks, because yes, you're wondering, how do you get free USDT with Crypto Rosetta? Well, you've got a chance to play fantasy crypto with us, and we've just launched that now again in the Discord. You need to come find out about that. Links in the description below. All you have to do is come in, you pick your 40 cryptos. There's more rules, again, all explained in the Discord, but essentially you score points. The first competition is going to run for the next 4 weeks, and whoever comes first place will win 75 USDT, and second place will win 25 USDT. And I said it's absolutely free to enter, so just come into the Discord and come and play fancy crypto. And it's a bit of fun, right? And come and engage with our community, who've been absolutely fantastic, and really do appreciate all their support recently. And everyone's been saying they're really happy community at the minute, especially the ones in the trading zone, because they've been absolutely printing on a ton of those short trades that I've mentioned. Right, folks, just wanted to make this a quick one. I'll get more of a detailed video out tomorrow, out from Istanbul. Should be fun. Currently here on a bit of more crypto business, which are going to be regularly doing. As we've seen in Morocco, purchasing property with crypto. We've also got Nigeria coming, so plenty of travels on the channel. So again, thanks for your support. I hope you find it entertaining. If you're brand new on the channel for the first time, then why not go ahead and subscribe, tap the bell. Really do appreciate that. And if you've enjoyed this content, folks, smash up that like button, and yeah, we'll just keep putting more content out for you. And again, if you want any technical analysis, remember, you can just leave us a comment below. We can get Savage to look at certain coins for you and get those videos out. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.